In this video, let's explore adjectives. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun or a pronoun. Examples: tall, happy, 5, beautiful. Adjectives tell us more about people, places, animals, or things. Why do we use adjectives? Adjectives make sentences clearer, more interesting, and meaningful. Examples. First example, this is a book. It looks plain. But this is an interesting book. Looks much better, right? Next example, he is a boy. It looks plain. But he is a smart boy. Looks more descriptive. Types of adjectives. 1. Descriptive adjectives. 2. Quantitative adjectives. 3. Demonstrative adjectives. 4. Possessive adjectives. 5. Interrogative adjectives. 6. Distributive adjectives. 7. Numeral adjectives. 8. Proper adjectives. 9. Articles. Let's learn them in detail. 1. Descriptive adjectives. Descriptive adjectives show the quality of a noun. Examples: big, blue, tasty, old. Sentence: it's a beautiful garden. 2. Quantitative adjectives. Quantitative adjectives indicate quantity or amount. Examples: some, many, few, little. Sentence: there are many books on the table. 3. Demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives point out specific things. Examples: this, that, these, those. Sentence: those shoes are new. 4. Possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives show ownership or relation. Examples: my, your, his, her, it's, our, their. Sentence: this is my cat. 5. Interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are used to ask questions. Examples: what, which, whose. Sentence: which dress do you like? 6. Distributive adjectives. Distributive adjectives refer to individual members of a group. Examples: each, every, either, neither. Sentence: each student received a gift. 7. Numeral adjectives. Numeral adjectives indicate numbers or order. Examples: 1, 2, third, first. Sentence: I finished in second place. 8. Proper adjectives. Proper adjectives are formed from proper nouns. Examples: Chinese, American, Newtonian. Sentence: I enjoy Italian food. 9. Articles as adjectives. Articles are also considered adjectives because they modify nouns. Examples: the. Sentence: he is a teacher. Quick practice. Which word is a descriptive adjective? A. Every. B. Tall. C. 5. D. This. Answer: B. Tall. What type of adjective is 5 in the sentence I have 5 pencils? A. Numeral. B. Quantitative. C. Demonstrative. D. Proper. Answer: a numeral. Which is a quantitative adjective? A. My. B. Little. C. Italian. D. Whose. Answer: B. Little. Each in the sentence, each student is present is what type of adjective? A. Distributive. B. Interrogative. C. Numeral. D. Proper. Answer: A. Distributive. Which sentence contains a demonstrative adjective? A. This book is mine. B. I have 3 dogs. C. My house is big. D. She is beautiful. Answer: A. This book is mine. Which is a possessive adjective? A. There. B. 5. C. That. D. Beautiful. Answer: A. There. What type of adjective is whose in the sentence? Whose bag is this? A. Interrogative. B. Quantitative. C. Distributive. D. Proper. Answer: A. Interrogative. Which of the following is a proper adjective? A. Some. B. Blue. C. American. D. The. Answer: C. American. Articles like a, an, and the are also considered as what? A. Nouns. B. Adverbs. C. Adjectives. D. Conjunctions. Answer: C. Adjectives. Which one is not an adjective? A. Slowly. B. These. C. Little. D. Indian. Answer: A. Slowly. Summary. Adjective: word that describes or modifies a noun or a pronoun. Types: descriptive, quantitative, demonstrative, possessive, interrogative, distributive, numeral, proper articles.